The day has arrived, my dear friends, where the majority of my Discover Weekly playlist on Spotify has been commandeered by AI music. Some of it sounds okay, but most of it you can hear that reverb and forced auto-tune in the voices, as well as the music itself sounds like it's coming out of a $10 Bluetooth speaker. So in this video, we'll be casually discussing the downfall of the music industry as we know it. Hello and welcome back to Audio Arkitekts. The goal here is to keep stereos and loud music alive. If you're down with that, I got 2 words for you: like and subscribe. There's an invisible invasion and many of us aren't understanding it's been here for a while and it's done more damage than we realize. AI can bust out millions of songs a day without breaking a sweat. Distributors are pushing them because volume equals streams, which equals money. There are many people that capitalize on this early on. They created fake AI bands and uploaded album after album after album. Now, most of us would think this would be a joke or passed over. No, there's one AI band in particular, the Velvet Sundown, who created a #1 song out of ones and zeros. They have well over 250,000 listeners on Spotify every month who love that stuff. This is what I'm talking about. It didn't stop there. These bands are making real money every month by literally creating something out of nothing. One of the biggest obstacles here is that Spotify and most of the other heavy hitters don't tell you what's AI made unless you're really digging or have an ear for counterfeit music. Otherwise, you'd never know. The whole point of Discover Weekly was for me to find real artists, to connect with human creativity. People with stories, perspectives, struggle. Now it's just serving up algorithms pretending to be musicians. And that means real people, songwriters, producers, bands, all get pushed further down an already saturated market. Suno AI is absolutely insane. You can literally type a prompt and get a full-blown track with vocals in just seconds. Now, for artists stuck in a creative rut, that's powerful. It can jumpstart ideas, break habits, even pull you out of writer's block. Instead of staring at a blank page or looping the same 4 chords, you can spark new ideas instantly. Maybe it gives you a beat you wouldn't have thought of, or a melody line that kicks your brain back into motion. But here's the catch. Suno should be the toolbox, not the house. If you rely on it to make the entire song, you lose what makes music music. The fingerprints of a real human, the story, the imperfection, the tension and release that comes from someone actually feeling something. So yeah, I would totally use Suno like a sketch pad, let it throw out some rough shapes, then you refine it, twist it, and put your own voice into it. That way AI helps build bridges, not replace the architect completely. On the surface, a lot of these AI songs sound fine. Some of them are even catchy, but they're not art. They're data stitched together to mimic emotion. It's a reflection of patterns, not genuine experiences. Music used to carry the fingerprints of the person who made it. The late nights, the heartbreaks, the weird accidents that somehow made the song better. AI doesn't have that. It doesn't feel the tension before a chorus hits or the relief when it resolves. It just predicts what should come next. And that's not creation. You can't get an autograph and go see a live performance from an AI-generated artist. And when Spotify's algorithm keeps force-feeding us that kind of content, it starts to reward people that are literally skipping to the front of the line without putting in any of the work. It's like a bad feedback loop where originality gets punished because it doesn't fit the pattern. We end up swimming in a sea of perfectly acceptable, totally forgettable songs. If we don't push back, if we don't keep choosing real artists over algorithmic fillers, we risk flattening music into background noise. No struggle, no story, no soul, just a never-ending playlist of songs that sound like they were made for nobody by nobody. The only solution is to discover, follow, and support real artists directly. When you're in discovery mode, start becoming more aware of what this counterfeit music sounds like. Be the solution, not part of the problem. I don't want to live in a world filled with Bluetooth speakers and AI artists. I started this channel to preserve and protect the spirit of this hobby, the same one that gave so many of us and generations before something real to care about. It's a community that may not always agree on everything, but a community nevertheless. Thank you all for making it to the end. I know this was a more somber topic. But it's something that has been weighing on me, and I feel I needed to address it. I feel it's important for my audience and my faithful subscribers and my loyal patrons to know what's going on in my headspace as it concerns our world of music and how we listen to it. If you enjoyed the show, let's subscribe to the channel and destroy the like button. Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.